Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a popular tea time snack commonly known as peanut masala. This recipe is simple to make and absolutely delicious. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I have taken about 250 grams of peanuts. Now I am rinsing them with water once so that all the flours get coated well to the peanuts. Now add 1 cup of chickpea flour, half cup of rice flour, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon Amchur powder, 2 pinches of baking soda, this is optional. This is a grinded paste of half inch ginger, 1 to 2 green chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds and few curry leaves. And finally add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix all the ingredients using a spoon. Add little by little water and make a thick paste of peanuts using the hand. It should not be thin. Take hot oil and deep fry these masala peanuts, keeping the flame low, else the outer part will burn and inside peanuts will be raw. Peanut masala is ready now. Cool down and store in an airtight container. It stays good for a month. Enjoy this hot and spicy snack in this cool weather, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you guys soon with another interesting recipe. Bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's